Warning Radar Network.
Welcome back, and we are seeing widespread rain now overspreading North Alabama over the last couple of hours. You'll also notice that we have some cloud-to-ground lightning strikes showing up on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. A lot of the rain is taking its time to make it towards, let's say, Madison County, but that will be moving into Madison County as well as Marshall, Jackson, and DeKalb County over the next 45 minutes. We'll zoom in a little bit closer. You'll notice a couple of pockets of some moderate, steady rainfall moving right over top of Coleman County, southern parts of Morgan County, and also seeing some of that steady, moderate rainfall kind of lifting out of Colbert County into Lauderdale County. Where we're seeing most of the lightning activity, that's off to the west and southwest. Thankfully, this is just a rain event for these areas, but you really need to take it slow if you're traveling, let's say, on I-65, Falkville and south over the next 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you have those lights on so folks can see you on the roads. It's also the state law here in Alabama. How about that line of thunderstorms off to our west and southwest? Again, this is moving more to the east and northeast, but could still impact places like Russellville closer to 12:15, Littleville closer to about 12:21. And what we're expecting through the rest of today, mostly a rain event, but occasionally a few cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. So if you're hearing thunder, everyone needs to be indoors. Then by tonight, right around 9-10 o'clock, there may be just enough instability in place for another round of thunderstorms. These are not expected to be strong or severe, but you may hear some thunder here later tonight. Then we move into Tuesday and into early Wednesday morning. This is the next severe weather threat. This is the latest update from the Storm Prediction Center, just coming down in the last 20 minutes. You'll notice the orange on the map. That is a 2 out of 5 severe risk. And then once you head a little bit further east, let's say closer to Guntersville, Scottsboro, and Fort Payne, that is a 1 out of 5 severe risk, but there's still that chance for some severe storms. And all threats are possible with severe weather, including tornadoes and damaging hail, as well as damaging straight line winds. This is kind of the main window that we'll be watching for tomorrow. You'll notice for Muscle Shoals and areas west of I-65, closer to the mid to late afternoon hours into the early evening. I-65 corridor closer to about 5, 6, 7 p.m. and right around 6, 8, and 9 o'clock closer to places like Scottsboro and Fort Payne. And that's mostly for the arrival time. We could see some of those storms lasting a little bit later than those times on the map. So here you go. Future radar. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon. Scattered showers, a few embedded thunderstorms. Again, these are not expected to be strong or severe, but it will be gusty today. You'll notice those winds really cranking up over the next couple of hours. There's that chance for a few thunderstorms here later this evening. This is 9 o'clock tonight. Some heavy rain, a few embedded thunderstorms, and then we move into a little bit of a lull through the overnight hours and into your Tuesday morning. So the morning commute tomorrow and for the kids heading out to the bus stop does not look all that bad. Just some scattered showers. You'll notice nothing strong. We're not tracking any thunderstorms. We'll let that run all the way into the mid to late afternoon hours. So as the kids are heading home from school tomorrow, just seeing a few more scattered showers, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms. Again, the main threat will be closer to the early evening hours. And look at that, right around 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening tomorrow, we're seeing some of these thunderstorms out ahead of the main cold front. These could be supercells, and that has that chance of producing some tornadoes along with gusty, damaging straight line winds. That line really starts to slow down and congeal into a strong line of gusty winds, heavy rain, and that moves off to the east. But you'll notice that secondary line associated with the cold front, that's right around midnight tomorrow night into Wednesday. That would be a slow mover, potentially producing quite a bit of heavy rain. That brings that flood risk in. I'm really concerned about those areas east of I-65. And look at the rainfall totals all the way through 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning. You get into those reds, that's closer to about 3 inches of rainfall. We will add on to that later this work week as a second system moves in. So a very active week for North Alabama. You'll notice by Thursday, we're back up to 70 for a high with a 70% chance for showers, even a few thunderstorms, and then back down to the mid-50s on Friday. Thankfully, the weekend is trending drier, so right around 50 and partly sunny Saturday afternoon.
Well, Rob, we thank you so much.